Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stellar XLM Global Domination. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, we've got Decent. They've got their products. They've got their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $70 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $149 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Stellar. Anyways, let's see what's happening with Stellar in real time, what's happening in the market, what the community is saying. So look at this. At the moment, Stellar is going through a correction phase. Ever since that rally up, it broke through this trend line over here. Look at this, the resistance line. It broke through it, test this level over here, almost 65 cents. Yeah. And since that time, it is trying to basically remain in this triangle over here. But crucial support levels, guys. If it remains above this and slowly and gradually if it narrows down towards this level, I think that it might pick up again, and before we know it, it might be above $1, guys, because this is how fast XLM moves. And when it and even when it moved recently, it was really fast. It is quick. The pace of XLM is something to behold, to be honest. So yeah. Look at this, XLM heating up. The breakout could be near as XLM flashes a bull pennant. RSI confirms the bullish momentum, 90 cents plus in sight. Awesome. If you look at the 4-hour chart on XLM, it shows a beautiful inverted hammer. Who is bullish right now? By the way, folks, I saw a really interesting post over here from Angelica. You might know her from the SHX threads as well, and she also covers VELO. So basically, she's covering the XLM, the Stellar ecosystem along with Stellar. This was a really interesting post from her. Look at this. This was the biggest crypto news. Stellar, the new guardian of the US dollar's global dominance. When we talk about basically consolidating the status quo and integrating with the current financial landscape, a lot of people say that Stellar, XLM, they're going to be replacing the US dollar and they're going to be replacing these currencies. But we've got a different perspective over here as well. Like Angelica over here is stating that the new guardian of the US dollar's global domination might be Stellar. Like, look at this. You're not recognizing the monumental impact Stellar is set to have. You didn't catch the moment the Stellar CEO Donnell Dixon dropped a bombshell at the hearing. She let slip that Stellar is strengthening the US dollar's position in the global economy. Folks, Stellar is based from USA. Obviously, it has its foundation there. Although a lot of proponents say that Stellar and XLM and XRP, they're going to be doing their own things. They are going to be the intermediaries connecting global financial structures. But according to the post over here, it might strengthen the US dollar in the process as well. Now look at this. To understand this, we must revisit the Bretton Woods Conference of 1944, where the US dollar was anointed as the world's reserve currency. If you do not know, folks, this happened after World War II. A new financial structure was being made. The Bretton Woods system, basically a new form of financial system. This phase is also and is known for the Keynesian economic policies as well, and the Marshall Plan after the World War II, where USA helped Europe establish itself again, and all of that stuff, and inception of the Cold War, basically. But anyways, what was important is that the Bretton Woods Conference cemented US dollar's place in the global economy. Fast forward, and the dollar found another pillar of support in oil, giving rise to the petrodollar system. And if you remember, Richard Nixon decoupled the US dollar and made it flexible, the floating exchange system that we now know of. It depegged dollar from gold. So yeah. Now, in a new twist of financial fate, the US dollar is being fortified by stablecoins on the Stellar network. Pardon me, guys. So and most of the stable coins, obviously, they're pegged with US dollar. Even USDT, USDC, they are pegged with US dollar. Although we know a lot of euro-based stable coins as well, and we've seen them in LCX, I think, LCX and other projects. Moreover, VELO has been built on the Stellar network, and its stablecoin USDV is backed by BlackRock's BUIDL fund, which tokenizes US Treasury bills via Securitize. Stellar is not merely supporting the US dollar, it is catalyzing its strength through stablecoins. Okay, so indirectly, I mean, although Stellar, I think it has much a larger cause, to be honest, working with UNHCR, global organizations, NGOs, IGOs. It's sort of trying to empower the underdeveloped countries and the underdeserved individuals as well. It is trying to make the financial system much more inclusive. The areas, regions, and places, individuals that do not have access to financial payment gateways. Stellar is trying to make the arena easier for them to enter the financial landscape. So I think that Stellar goes a long way, and along with them, I think that indirectly we can say that it might be a catalyst to strengthen USD by through the stable coins like Angelica is saying, but it is multifold. What Stellar is doing is phenomenal, thereby creating a global demand that keeps the dollar stable across 180 countries. This isn't just another financial maneuver, it's tantamount to a modern day Bretton Woods conference. I mean, this is really interesting for the title. I might go with global domination or the new Bretton Woods conference, something of that sort, because I really like international politics and international affairs, international history. So I really like it. I really like good titles. Anyways, but this time it is all happening on the blockchain. So if you're not bullish on Stellar, perhaps you should reconsider your perspective given Stellar's role in dollar supremacy. And this is a bit political as well, because a lot of people might say that we want Stellar to become an alternative to dollar, and some might others say that it should consolidate the status quo. So I think that these are different perspectives, but overall, in my opinion, Stellar is doing a lot. Overall, it's trying to open different avenues for itself to grow, not confining itself to one use case, in my opinion. Anyways, let's see what else do we have. The more you research, the more you realize that Stellar is the most underrated project in all of crypto. Get ready, XLM Stellars. Yeah, the trend line over here, the triangle over here. So yeah, bullish pennant. XLM touched the lower line in the fourth wave of the triangle convergence pattern. The lower price is similar to the previous low. The fifth wave is likely to break through the pattern. If it goes up, the target price is the same as before, 86 cents. Look at this. Yeah, 86 cents, and really we will go on and touch the dollar, to be honest, if it goes here. In my opinion, sky's the limit. The $1 mark is the next target if it happens. If you hold XRP, XLM, and XDC like this post, Nick, XLM December roadmap, currently consolidating right under the previous cycle high. I will be accumulating in the green buy zone. The first profit target would be $2. Okay, so not even dollar. People are really optimistic that it will go on and touch the $2 level. It's going to be insane, to be honest. It's going to be awesome. This is great. I think more than 10 or 20x, yes, since the lows over here, if I'm not wrong. I think it was 0.09 when we were talking about it killing the zero and claiming 10 cents, and all of a sudden it is going up and claiming the $1 level, conquering the $1 level. What is this? Stellar Lumens has performed well and it is about to go higher. This from All in Crypto, so shout out. After a double bottom on the chart, a run to the $7 range may be on the cards in the future. What's your thoughts on Stellar? So people are really optimistic when it comes to Stellar. Not $1, not $2. People are talking about double digits even, guys. $7 in this case. Let's see what All in Crypto has to say.
Going to get into the hundreds in terms of market cap, and of course we have looked at Stellar Lumen's price. For me, Stellar's been one of the best performers in my portfolio. In fact, it might actually be the best performer in my portfolio because our average buy is around about 9 cents. And since then, it's done exceptionally well. Today, it sits at 49 cents. At one point, it got all the way up to 64. That is an exceptional ROI. And actually, I'm here to tell you that we think it's going significantly higher. There was a double bottom pattern that was present here, this kind of phase one base. You did have a breaking and that target was actually met, and you can see where you're pulling back. Ultimately, this is likely going to, whatever pullback or whatever kind of structure we get is likely going to set up for that further continuation and likely a run into the $4, $5, potentially $6, $7 range. So that's very much what I'm envisioning from a price point of view. But fundamentally, the reason the price is going to get there is because this is a project that is going to play a central role in the new financial system that we're moving toward. This global one world system, which has been prophesied before crypto was even a thing, and actually crypto is the enabling component to it. And XLM is absolutely a part of that plan. We're not going to get too conspiratorial and talk about sort of Jed McCaleb's beginnings and some crossovers that he has with people that are now part of government agencies like the Doge agency, etc., etc. That could be for an entirely different video. And let me know if you want that video, guys.
So, folks, what do you guys think about Stellar and the new Bretton Woods system? Is it on the cards? Is XLM a part of it? Is Stellar a part of the new financial system that is about to be cemented? Anyways, what do you guys think about it? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the
going to get into the hundreds below in terms of market cap, and of course we have looked at Stellar Lumen's price. For me, Stellar's been one of the best performers in my portfolio. In fact, it might actually be the best performer in my portfolio because our average buy is around about 9 cents. And since then, it's done exceptionally well. Today, it sits at 49 cents. At one point, it got all the way up to 64. That is an exceptional ROI. And actually, I'm here to tell you that we think it's going significantly higher. There was a double bottom pattern that was present here, this kind of phase one base. You did have a breaking and that target was actually